Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Plain Decoded. I'm going to do a review from yesterday's game. So I had the Cowboys to win. They won. It wasn't very impressive because they're minus 600 favorites, but they did beat the spread, which I said in the video that they would most likely do, and they beat it by 14 points. I recommended in my video at 7:34 to go for a scoring play, and the Dallas Cowboys end up scoring at 7:37. This is a minute off the alerts that I get, or about a minute off. I bet that it came through. It was minus 130 if you just did a score, and then they got a field goal a little bit later. So I also recommended a scoring play at 8:09. That didn't come through. I bet that, so I lost on that one. But what ended up happening is they turned the ball over right at 8:09, um, uh, which wasn't cool, but that's what happened. And Saturn does represent the dog, so maybe that's why. Um, so I'll go to the scoring play. So this is the time I recommended, and the reason is because the Antisha of the part of fortune is right on the DSC here, and it happened at 37 after, which is more appropriate because here the Antisha of the part of fortune is controlling the house. That's what it's called, right when it's on the doorstep of the seventh house. Um, so it's controlling the house. So that's when things most usually come through is when they're controlling the house. And so a little bit off, but recommending it when it's right in the center ensures that you get the right time, regardless. Um, so that was pretty cool that came through. Um, and then I didn't recommend this part here, but I'm going to put a check mark here because just to point it out that this time came through. So this is one of the times I wrote 906 Venus conjunct the Antisha, the part of fortune. So you can see here I have the favorite is the Sun and Venus, and so that's when they scored. The Dallas Cowboys was when Venus, which represents the favorite, uh, was conjunct. So here's the chart. And so here's Venus, the blue Venus, and the Antisha of the part of fortune is conjunct it right here, this orange X. Um, and then for each of these plays here, I went through and I pulled up the charts. It's just something I'm going to note, like how it all works going forward. But the obvious things are the things that I see repeating. So like this Venus conjunct the Antisha of the part of fortune, I should have recommended, and I didn't. But the first one was the easiest one. So that usually comes through this Antisha, the part of fortune on the DSC. Um, Also, what comes through often is planets themselves crossing there, and so hopefully I get more. I get this sharpened up for football and get some more scoring plays. In my Discord this morning, I there was the Predators game. I wanted to do a video for the Predators. I think they're going to win here. I said look for a goal in the Preds game at 24 after. That's today at 10:59 a.m. And then they scored 2 minutes off at 22 minutes after. So here I got the screenshot. So it says 3:22, so 4:22 their time, which just is another little evidence of how astrology works. So yeah, that's my review. So I got 1 out of 2 scoring plays and the spread and the winner. So hopefully we get some more games. I get some more games up soon. I want to keep like getting this down and putting out videos. I think it's really cool, and I'm almost at my goal to get a computer, and that's from the people that support me on Patreon. So I appreciate that. And once I get that computer up, I'm going to get this program called Solar Fire, and then I can get like I want to get cool videos, and I want to be more accurate. And I think this program will can lay out all this stuff so I don't have to search it out. Like it'll just tell me all the important aspects throughout the game. Um, so I'm excited to move into doing that. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.